Video title, Unlocking the Power of Meditation, Your Inner Wealth. Video description. In this video, we delve into the transformative power of meditation and how it serves as a gateway to spiritual growth and inner peace. Discover why meditation is more than just a practice, it's a journey toward discovering the wealth within your soul. Script outline. 1. Introduction, 30 seconds. 1. Hook. Have you ever felt a pull towards something greater within yourself? Today, we explore how meditation can unlock that potential and lead you to a deeper understanding of your own spiritual power. Meditation is the gate that opens to our inner selves. Let's unravel this profound insight. 2. Understanding meditation, 1 minute. 1. Define meditation in simple terms: a practice that allows us to connect with our inner selves and attain a state of peace. Think of prayers and rituals as the kindergartens of meditation. They lay the groundwork for deeper spiritual practices. 3. The journey of spiritual growth, 2 minutes. 1. Elaborate on the idea of gradual training. Spiritual growth is not instantaneous, it requires patience and persistence. Inch by inch, we gain ground. 2. Highlight the importance of commitment to meditation. This journey might span days, years, or even lifetimes, but the key is to continue the pull toward our inner self. 3. Include a personal anecdote or story, real or hypothetical, to illustrate the gradual nature of growth. 4. The inner wealth of meditation, 2 minutes. 1. Discuss the true riches that meditation provides. Meditation brings us joy that transcends suffering, a wealth that cannot be taken away or destroyed. 2. Explore the benefits of meditation, such as increased resilience, emotional stability, and spiritual clarity. 3. Share quotes or insights from well-known figures in meditation or spirituality to reinforce the message. 5. Practical tips for starting a meditation practice, 2 to 3 minutes. 1. Provide viewers with simple, actionable steps to start meditating. Find a quiet space, create a calming environment to meditate in. Set a timer, start with just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Focus on your breath, use your breath as an anchor to the present moment. Be patient, remind viewers that it's okay for the mind to wander, gently guide it back to focus. 2. Encourage viewers to make meditation a daily practice, highlighting the cumulative benefits over time. 6. Conclusion and call to action, 1 minute. 1. Recap the main points. Meditation is a profound journey, a path to inner wealth that no one can take away. 2. Call to action. Encourage viewers to start their meditation journey today. Take a moment right now to close your eyes, breathe deeply, and begin your journey inward. 3. Suggest subscribing for more videos on mindfulness, meditation, and spiritual growth. Visual elements and engagement tips. 1. Visuals. Use calming imagery, such as nature scenes or serene settings, to accompany the narration. 1. Overlay text to emphasize key quotes or concepts. 2. Background music. Incorporate soft, soothing music to create a meditative atmosphere throughout the video. 3. Interactive elements. Encourage viewers to comment on their meditation experiences or share their favorite techniques for connecting with their inner selves.